Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm gonna show you the 17 sites that will pay you a PayPal money. In a way, it's a free money. This method works worldwide and you can do it from your home. All you need is a laptop or PC or smart devices is fine, and you need to have internet connection and a microphone and able to speak in English. Each task is vary between 5 to 25 minutes and you get paid low as a $10 per task to after $100 per task. So before we get into videos, if you are new to my channels, I make videos on money making, money saving tutorials. I try to upload one video every day or every other day. So subscribe, like and share this video. And if you watch the video until the end, that you can win £10 PayPal money. So watch the video until the end for the giveaway. So what is this method? This method is about testing websites and app, particularly websites that you can earn money by doing that. All you have to do is begin the test and talk under the test end all the things that you like about the website and don't like about the website, and completing each task they ask you, each question they ask you to do. So you have to do that. All you have to do is speak through your microphone and it will record your speaking and record your result and send it to the company. After reviewed, you get paid in PayPal. You can see most of them work in Google Chrome, or most of the site allow you to work above 18 years old and work worldwide, and you need to have a PayPal account in order to make money. So in this video I'm going to show the 17 sites that you can join today and make money. All you have to remember this: most of them work worldwide. If you are able to join these 17 sites, that you can earn up to 100 to 200 per week, so you can earn up to more than $500 per month. Again, in normal situations you're going to receive about 1 to 2 tests per day. Because of the current situation, number of tests is available very less, but still you can do it. That you can see this is and number of tests is become increasing every single day. I have my experience on that, and you can earn more money. So watch the video until the end. I'm going to walk you through it in speed, so I don't want to take you most of your time, guys. Just to give you the website name, because everything is same. You have to go to the website, sign in the website and do the introduction test. Is around 5 to 10 minutes. After that, your account is created. Then whenever the test is available, you get notified through email, and you begin the test. And the website record the test and send it to the company, and you get paid after it's reviewed. There is no right or wrong answers, just give your opinions. What do you think about the website or app? So let's get into the video, guys. This is my favorite one. The number one is called Validately, and you can see that result on the thumbnail that I can show you. I earn lots of money through this site, and you can, if you want, I can show you that I still getting task to do today. So this is my email that you can see. Today 24th, I get one email in the morning to do the one test, and yesterday there's 2 of them in the night to do that. So if you are qualified for each of the tests, and you can earn up to $10 per test. So this method is working and I earning money. That's why I'm making this video. This number one is Validately, and the number 2 is called userbrain.net. Again, you can see that you can earn up to $10 each task, between 5 to 15 minutes, up to $10. Minimum task gonna pay you around $3, guys, and again you get paid through PayPal. Number 3 is testingtime.com, and you can earn some of the tasks gonna pay you £60 or around $80, something like that, per hour. So not $80, $60 per hour, because of the test is a little bit longer and you get paid a lot more money on that. And you have this one goes Try My UI. Is the same thing, and you can get paid around $10 for each task that you can see here. And they have called userfield.com, and again you get paid around $10 per 10 to 20 minutes. Then you have a Userlytic that you can see 5, 10 and 15 and $20 or $90, depend on the task. And some of the site I already did the review on my YouTube channel. You can go and check it out, those. And we have another one, it's called User Zoom. It's the same thing. And we have a UTest. It's the same thing. Again, you can create account and do the test, and whenever the test is available you do that and you get paid for that. And we have a loop11.com, again testing website, and you get paid on that. All the website I'll put it in the description. Go and check it out today. And you have enroll.com. It's called enrollapp.com, that you can earn money by testing apps and website. And this one is called test.io, again same thing. And we have this one is called intuit.com. I definitely sure this work worldwide because it's intuit.com/in. So intuit.com/in. So the main website is called intuit.com, and if you put /in is for India. So this website work in India, so you can join and do the test and you can earn money. And this one is called checklos.com. I can pronounce it correctly, so I put the link here. You can go check it out. You can give the feedback after 15 minutes each task, and you get paid around 8 euros. This website mainly work in Europe, but still you can make sure that working in your country or not. Then we have this one called Hello Ping Pong. Again, you can see you can earn up to 20 to 100 euro per hour, depend on the task, guys. And we have called Perfection, is the same thing. And we have a user code, it's the same thing. And finally we have usertesting.com. This is I am already joined and do a couple of them. You can say that you can earn up to $10 per 20-minute test, but those tests won't be taking 20 minutes. It's between 5 to 10 minutes. Again, guys, these methods are work worldwide, and you can do it from your home. You need to have only a laptop and a microphone and internet connection to do it. And again, this is not a passive income. This is a side income that you can earn in your free time. All you have to do is join all these 17 sites and register free account and do the entrance test. The entrance test is basically same test to your microphone, and you are able to speak in English, something like that. And after that, you get email notification like this one I receiving today, and you can see this is the email notification I'm receiving today. So you do that, click the link and do the test, and some of the website record the result on extension here. Here you can see that I have a validated Google Chrome extension here. It will record the result. And some website like a testing time or user timer UI need to install a small program in your computer that will record your result and send it to the company automatically. So you don't have to do anything, guys. In this way that you can earn money in a side income up to $500 per month by testing website and app from your home, guys. I hope you understand. If you want to win a 10 pound PayPal money, you know the drill. Like this video. If you watch the video until the end, leave a comment. When this video get 100 likes, I will do the giveaway. Until that, have a good day. See you in next video, guys.